Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add emotion in ElevenLabs to make your AI generated voice sound more natural. Start by logging into your ElevenLabs account and navigating to the text to speech section. Now, it's important to note that ElevenLabs does not have a built-in emotion feature, but you can still achieve natural sounding emotions by using different ElevenLabs models. To access these models, go to Voice Settings. Find the Model option and click on the box below it. Then click Show All Models to see the available options. Here's a breakdown of the models and how they affect voice emotion. 1. 11 Multilingual V2, High Quality. This model delivers highly nuanced and emotional voices, making it ideal for storytelling, audiobooks, and expressive voiceovers. 2. 11 Flash V2.5, 50% cheaper. Optimized for real-time interactions, it provides a natural tone, but is slightly more neutral than Multilingual V2. 3. 11 Turbo V2.5, 50% cheaper. Designed for developers who need fast voice generation, it maintains clarity and naturalness, but lacks deeper emotional expression. 4. 11 Turbo V2, 50% cheaper, English only. Similar to Turbo V2.5, but focused on low latency and efficiency in English. 5. 11 Flash V2, 50% cheaper, English only. This model prioritizes ultra-low latency and real-time interactions, making it sound conversational and responsive. 6. 11 English V1, the first ElevenLabs model, offering basic voice generation without advanced emotional expression. Choose the model that best suits your needs, and experiment with different settings to achieve the desired emotion in your voice. And that's it. You've successfully enhanced your ElevenLabs voice with natural emotions. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.